Well, it's no surprise that some of us dread a trip to the dentist, but technology is actually making it a bit more bearable. Here to tell us more is Dr. Moriarty from Mor Smiles in Lititz. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks.
All right, so what is digital dentistry?
So digital dentistry is the future of dentistry, and what it really is we're using technology these days like scanners and CAT scans and digital x-rays to really facilitate the dental process, to make it easier, to make it faster, to make it better, and to make it less inexpensive for the patient.
And that's obviously something that's pretty important, CAT scans, things like that, to keep up, up to date with your dental records and whatnot.
It is, and a lot of times, people have trouble with taking impressions, and the goopy impression takes 5 minutes to set up in the mouth. These days, we can just simply take a digital scan of a person. We can make dentures from that. We can make crowns from that. Something that would take 2 to 3 weeks to make, we can make in about an hour and a half these days.
So who benefits from this?
You know what? Everyone does. Everyone, because time is of the essence. People want stuff quicker, faster, better, and for cheaper. And really the way to do this is by utilizing technology. So we can plan surgeries from someone who has needs a full mouth of extractions to
that sounds painful.
Treatment planning the surgery before completing it, before the patient's even anesthetized. Within a millimeter of accuracy. So it's extremely accurate, and really everyone can benefit from this kind of technology.
Is this something new, or have you guys been using this for quite a while?
It's a combination of things. So it's been something that's been in the process of development. Digital radiography has been around for a long time, but these days with 3D printing and the way that we're using the scanning appliances, it's really coming into the field, and we're really utilizing the technology a lot more. And the more time goes on, these things are improved. They're made smaller and quicker and better, just like computers and everything else.
Yeah, and I can assume you guys have this obviously at your office in Lititz.
Yes. We purchased a digital scanner a few months ago, and we're in the process of getting like a milling unit. So in essence, the person needs a crown. They can come in, they can get the crown done, and they can leave the same day with the crown in about, like I said, hour and a half or so.
That's really amazing, because a lot of times you have to wait weeks.
Exactly.
And you should probably emphasize it's not as painful as people think, right?
It's not as painful as people think, and like I said, it's quicker. A lot of people who weren't able to get impressions before, we can get impressions now. Sometimes people come in and their teeth are so badly damaged that just by taking an impression, you could possibly extract them. We don't have to worry about that anymore. These days, we can just take a bunch of digital pictures and scans of it, send it to the laboratory, and get all that stuff back in a very short period of time.
So cool what technology does these days.
Absolutely.
For more information, where can folks go?
More information, you can go to morsmiles.com, 553-1793.
Great. Dr. Moriarty, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.